friends, Running Kimono here, and we're looking at the Walgreens preview for the week of August the 6th to the 12th. So I am a day early, but that comes with a little bit of a backstory why the preview is so early. There is a Dollar General clearance event that is starting on the 4th, 5th, and 6th. And I'm probably going to be shopping on Friday morning, and that Swiffer XL, it has my name written and sealed on it. I want to get a couple of those for $5 when they're like $20. If you're interested in saving boku bucks and doing it digitally, and you're not much of a Dollar General shopper, you're more of a pharmacy lady or gentleman, check out this video. I'll link it at the very end. Some very smart deals. And here's a spoiler alert. It seems nobody cares about this clearance event. So for the few of us that are going to be out there shopping, I think we're going to score really big, being like looking into my crystal ball. Okay, so last night, which was Thursday the 3rd, a lot of us got our $20 for doing 3 qualifying transactions the week previous with the My Walgreens week. My $20 landed in one of my accounts, so you might want to double, triple check. Did you get it? Yes or no? And that's an extra $20. So how great was last week with all the deals and steals over at Walgreens? Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad with all of the details and all of the digital coupons will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, August the 6th. Hopping right into it, let's look at some of these deals of the week. Lots of great things. Even the buy two get one for free for the M&Ms, those big bags. I mean, how nice is that? And the Blue Diamond, $5.99 for that big bag. First deal we're going to touch on is the Garnier. If you look in the fine print, it says whole blends or fructis. Are we going to get 2 coupons? That's what's still up in the air. But grabbing 2 of the fructis for $8, subtracting that digital coupon that's going to show up on Sunday morning, you're going to pay $5, get back a $3 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash. And it's Thursday the 3rd. I still haven't seen a booster, so hopefully maybe Friday or Saturday we get one in our digital coupons folder to go with next week. This next deal will have to be tested on Monday the 7th. We really have to pay attention to the dates. So the deal is to buy 1 to get 2 for free on the Kelloggs Cereal. The mini wheats is 3 for $6.79. So the first box is $6.79 and the other 2 are free. IBOTTA has $1 back for each. So we have to make sure that that rebate is still there, along with another cereal deal. We're going to have to, but there's so many Kellogg's ones happening right now. We'll be able to find something like Raisin Bran or the Rice Krispies. Like, we'll find something else for that 6th box because you can only do up to 5 for mini wheats. This came out of the Catalina machine and it's valid over at Walgreens, but the start date is August the 7th to September the 3rd. That's why we have to do this on the 7th. Buy 5 boxes or more, get back a $3 register reward. It's written right there. So you really got to listen to Aunt Rach here. We're looking at Monday the 7th, grabbing 6 boxes of Kelloggs cereal, an assortment that's corresponding with IBOTTA. That's $13.58, $6 back from IBOTTA, $1 per box, and a $3 register reward. That's $9 right there, guys. $4.58 for the 6 or 76 cents per box. Remember, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to pay down that balance. This will have to be tested on Monday, just to note that. Next couple deals we're going to look at is to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash. So we're going to grab 2 of the Cottonelle or Viva or a mix and match, whatever you prefer. 2 of them is $9.98. I personally would use $10 in Walgreens Cash and then just pay the balance of the tax, and I call this a smart deal. And again, we're doing this without a booster. All the new couponers out there, this is a laundry deal that, I think is quite meat and potatoes. I definitely would stock up. 4 for $9, Bounce, Downy, Tide Simply, Laundry Care. Grabbing 4 of those for $9. And there's also candy bars, I think like Reese's for like $1. Throw one of those in, $10. Throw in $10 in Walgreens Cash. Twirl 17 times at checkout, and you're paying tax, and you're doing this without a booster. And I think this is just a really fabulous deal to stock up on the inexpensive cleaner, that sort of stuff for your house for laundry care. Another deal that's really sensational is the buy 1 get 2 for free on these complete home. There's like food storage bags. I think it's very comparable to Ziploc, my humble opinion. Grabbing 3 of these, you're going to pay $2.79 for the first. The other 2 are free. It's like 93 cents per. This is cheaper than Dollar Tree, guys. And remember, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to at least throw $2 into the mix. And my best friend is back, $1.24 Dawn, and when you buy 2, you're getting back $1 register reward. Tossing 2 of them into a basket is $2.48. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash, pay the 48 cents, and get your dollar register reward. Not factoring in your Walgreens cash, it's $1.48 for the 2, or 74 cents per Blue Dawn, or the Apple one. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use a little bit of Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that dollar register reward. Now, this booster we have right up until the Saturday to use it. 7 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens branded products. See all these different Walgreens branded products? There's a whole bunch of them. My favorite is probably that 4 count of toilet paper, but if you wanted some chips, some water, some batteries, I mean, that could be a really busy Sunday evening. Grabbing 11 of them at $1.99 a pop, that's $21.89. Pay that with your debit card and get back $7 in Walgreens cash. Remember, because it's a spend booster of spend 20, get back 7, you cannot use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. This one's a little bit more. So if you had another booster like a paper or another digital, stack them so you're paying a lot less. Now our best friend Tresemme, we're going to be looking for the $6 one, $5 reward when you buy 3, and there's also going to be a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 $6 Tresemme products, that's $18 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay $12, get back a $5 register reward, making it $8 for the 3, or $2.66 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. And check Fetch Rewards. Is there still a rebate of spend 30, get back 10 on Tresemme Unilever products? I still cannot track down these Papermate pens for 99 cents. I think there's a shipment that's going to arrive and there's going to be magical boxes that appear sometime soon. So this deal, if you can line it up, by all means make it happen. But this is a pretty wild one. Let's grab 21 of these Papermates for $20.79. The offer with this product is to spend 20, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So pay that with your debit card, get your $5 back for spending 20, and then Fetch has 1,000 points for each of these Papermates, so that's another $5 back. So it'd make it $10.79 for the 21 sets of pens, or 51 cents each. Remember, as the offer is spend 20, get back 5. You can't use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but 21 packs of pens, not a bad little deal. Kind of alliteration right there. Okay, so now we're just going to look at a couple of things. I don't have the digitals to really accompany with. I think that Mr. Clean Freak is going to have a $2 digital, but the rest, I don't know. But possibly these could be some deals. All of the Gain coupons are expiring this Saturday, but $4 reward when you buy 2 at the $9.99 mark. Those are the larger Gain products, so that could potentially be a little deal. Wouldn't that be nice? And also toothpaste. I do not like to pay for this, so what is the digital coupon that's going to be popping up? I know we have a 5 off 3, but that's also expiring on Saturday, so in theory, I'm not paying $1 per, just looking at the coupons that we have right now for Crest or Oral-B. We usually get, toothbrush, toothpaste completely for free. So we're just going to have to wait and see how this one shakes out, because we're not paying $1 per. And the Axe, I know that some coupons were attaching and then coupons were not attaching, blah, blah, blah. We'll have to wait and see how things are shaking out next week. Maybe that'll be a curbside offer. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first is these codes for the back to school stuff. With the Papermate, I would recommend doing that one in store, but we'll have to wait and see how that shakes out. Maybe it's a smart thing to do. We'll have to see on perhaps a Monday curbside video, doing a basket with some school supplies. And the buy 2 get 1 for free with the M&Ms. I always like to stock up when it's that price point. I like to gift M&Ms. And we have more food. I know that the price of food at grocery stores, this is very comparable to what they sell at like Walmart compared to what they sell at Walgreens. Even like, look at those Dunkin' K-Cups. That's a good deal for $5.99 if I've ever seen or heard of one. And the $1 single-serve candies if you need a filler item, such as for the 4 for $9 with the Tide Simply. This would be a great little item to throw in. They're always found at the cash register. My husband always likes when I bring that Reese's bar home for him. That's his favorite. And 99 cents to $1.49 for the Crayola. Every week leading up to back to school, there's always some sort of like cheap school supply. So this is the one for 99 cents. And the final slide that we have is more school supplies. The spend 20, get back 5, a whole bunch of them. So if you can only find like 10 of those Papermate packs of pens, grab something else to balance your basket out to 20. As always, this is it. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.